Welcome back. In this video, we are taking our first real step by creating our very own Django project. Let's jump in. So you've got Python and your virtual environment all set up. Now let's install Django because, well, we can't Django without Django. Open up your terminal. I'm gonna use the command prompt. Now, as you can see, I have not yet activated this virtual environment. So if you remember from the last video, we said what you need to do is, first of all, your virtual environment name. The good thing is our location, we are in the same folder as our Django environment. So what I'm going to do is venv, and then inside here, remember we have scripts. And then inside the scripts, we have this activate.bat. That's what we are looking for. If we do this, you can see now our virtual environment has been activated. So the next thing is to install Django. To do that, I am going to type pip install Django. And this should install Django in our environment. With Django now in the mix, let's create our project. So in our command prompt, let's type Django admin start project. So it's Django hyphen admin and then start project as one word, start project. And then we need to provide the project name, and then we need to provide the project name. In this case, I'll just give it super blog, because at the end of the day, we want to create a blog website. That will be our final project. So I'll just call it super blog. After doing that, you can see right here we have our super blog application. Now what I'm going to do is cd into this super blog. Now I'm inside this super blog. So what I'm seeing in this super blog is, first of all, I have this folder structure with the same name as the application name, which is super blog. And if I expand it, you can see that I have a number of Python files. So one of the important ones are this URL, which we use to configure our Django URLs. We have settings.py, which is used to configure Django settings. We are going to use this file a lot in the upcoming videos, so I'm just going to leave it for now. But if I close this, now you can see down here I also have this file called manage.py, and this is a command center for Django. Basically, most of Django commands I will learn using this manage.py. For example, right now I will start the server and I'll use manage.py to start the server. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'll go into the terminal and then I'll learn Python. Make sure the virtual environment is activated, and then I'll say Python manage.py learn server. So this is a Django command, and I'm using manage.py to learn this command. And if I go into a browser to this URL, then I should be able to see Django running. So let's try that. So I'll paste the URL, and then you can see at the moment our Django application is running, and that is what we are hoping to achieve in this tutorial. There you have it. You've officially created and run your first Django project, and you've got a glimpse of the project structure. In the next video, we'll start building the actual components of our web application. So grab a snack, take a breather, and get ready to dive even deeper into Django. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and let's solve it together. Alright, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.